Happy anniversary, Broadstairs Folk Week.
It's so good this year, it's wonderful. It's part of my life.
It's so friendly. Everyone just loves being here.
Broadstairs has got something special.
On the choppy shores of Broadstairs, down on Viking Bay, a sleepy town awakens, rejoice for 7 days. The bars begin to open, the people come to cheer, the singers and the players, they travel far and near.
Folk Week is the highlight of my year, I think. It's the camaraderie, it's all the people that we meet here and making it such an inclusive experience.
The atmosphere of the children, they're just so enthusiastic about it all.
Come now to Broadstairs, together we will sing. Come now to Broadstairs, the stories that we bring. Come now to Broadstairs, together we will sing. Come now to Broadstairs, the stories that we bring.
When I was 15, we found they'd put a folk show on in the park. That was the first one, 1966, and they've been coming ever since. The singing in the Neptune and the sailing club in the evening, it's just magic.
I've been volunteering since '77, so since I was 17. But I'm still involved in dancing as well with the festivals. So I've done almost every style that there is of English folk dance. It's just great.
The band play Drowsy Maggie, bringing people to their feet. They're clapping out of time and swaying to the beat. Drinks are getting spilt, they're shouting out for more. They're stepping in and stepping out and stomping on the floor.
They've always had good workshops and parades and things like that. People come from all over the country and they come every year and they're like friends. Lots of different things for different people. And it means different things for different people.
We owe such a debt to the team over the years that have kept it going. Long may it last.
Come now to Broadstairs.